One of the biggest mistakes businesses make once they spot trust leaks is trying to fix everything at once. New website, new messaging, new tools, new campaigns. It feels decisive. It also usually freezes progress. Trust doesn't improve in bulk. It improves one moment at a time. Buyers don't experience your business as a strategy. They experience moments. A page, a call, a follow-up, a wait. Every moment answers one question. Do I feel safe moving forward? When growth slows, most companies add volume. More ads, more outreach. But if trust is leaking, volume just scales friction. The smarter move is restraint. Fix one trust leak before you add anything new. Clarity, proof, follow-up, alignment. You don't need a rebuild. You need focus. Before launching another campaign this month, ask yourself, where do prospects pause? That's the leak to fix. And fixing it will do more for growth than adding anything new.